Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Just want to give you an update on the million aviation cards I just bought. I'll link up here somewhere about so you can view all that if you haven't seen it already. I slowly started listing some. I've listed more of the 8x10 photos than anything so far because I'm still just kind of getting infrastructure together for the regular cards. And I'll show you what I did here. So in my basement, this area was originally both listed and unlisted Goodwill finds, getting rid of all the Goodwill stuff. And that's what all this 10, 11 totes, this is all Goodwill stuff. I've not heard yet back from the local, to me, eBay reseller if they want this stuff for cheap or not. I'll give them another day or two to get back to me. If not, all this is going to go back to Goodwill. And I went and purchased a total of 4 of these 36-inch wide, 6-foot tall shelves, and I combined them, and that way I get, instead of 5 shelves, I get 10 shelves, and these fit the boxes pretty well. The majority, I think, of the airline cards are going to be continental size, so I went with these. They're 18 inches, sorry for the noise, 18 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 4.5 inches tall. They're called open top bin boxes. And these only cost about 80 cents, a traditional postcard box. Right now, I think they are around $3 each if you buy in bulk and have them shipped. And I like these ones better because I don't have to worry about, trying to dig over top. I can see the cards up front easily. These are the same type of bin boxes I use for my current eBay inventory. And I've looked into, they have baseball card boxes that are exact same shape as this, except they have a divider in the middle. You wouldn't have to use that divider. In fact, I think I got one here. So this is a baseball card box. And when you put these together, you would just exclude that divider. And I think I can get these baseball size ones for about $1 cheaper than the normal postcard boxes. But I like these ones better. And I already printed out labels. This will be box D and airplanes. And I rebooted one of my old eBay stores, and that'll all just be the airplane cards now. I can fit 4 of the 8-inch wide ones per shelf, so I can fit 40 on one unit, which would be, these hold about 900 cards each, so I can fit about 36,000 postcards on this one rack. Each box, however, may only have 15 or 20 different postcards. And these are the ones I use for my current eBay inventory. These are the same length and height, but these ones are only 6 inches wide. Continental cards won't fit in these very well. So I'll use these for the standard size airplane cards, and 5 per shelf with these. So that would be 50 per shelving unit, which would be 40-some thousand cards. So between these 2 shelving units, I'll be able to hold probably 70-some thousand airplane cards. I will need more room, but this is a really good start. This messy area over here, these are all dental magazines and journals and books and stuff like that. But I had a couple extra of these magazine holders that worked perfectly for the 8x10 photos. There's probably thousands of these 8x10 photos. It's pretty neat. It's like a Beechcraft airplane control panel. Yeah, they're just photographs directly from the company. They fit pretty well in these 8x10 top loaders, getting those for about 70 cents each. So those fit really well. I'm going to move these eventually from here over to this shelving unit. It's just a IKEA shelving unit. There's some listed stuff on here, but it's just pretty much where I throw some stuff I'm not into right now. But I can find another area for this listed inventory, and I'll move all of those photographs over here. This mess right here is what I've already started listing. You can see box A, and there's only 17 different tabs here. Some may only have 15 to 20 airline cards behind them. Some like this right here, that's probably 300 or 400 cards. And this is box C that I just started. This right here, this is what I've cherry picked out so far from some of the non-aviation cards. Some decent real photos. I guess there's some more aircraft. A lot more aircraft, but there's some really nice street views. There's some holiday stuff. These will do well also. That's why I cherry picked them out. Just some really nice cards that were non-aviation related, but still a lot of aviation cards in there. It's a real photo. So a lot of these have to be listed yet. And here's just another box, or at least the box I've been working through. Just more real photos, or photographs. I keep calling them real photos. About 8x10 black and white photos. Some are airline issued, others are just from different photographers. But this is like all the correspondence that just goes back probably into the 70s. Actually, there's stuff in here from the 60s and the 50s also. So there you have it. That's just an update on the aviation lot. It's slow going, but it's going. Like I said in one of the previous videos, how to eat an elephant. It's one bite at a time, and I'm definitely taking my nibbles. Okay, thank you for watching.